Understanding grueling, describing extreme challenges in English. Imagine pushing yourself to the absolute limit, feeling utterly exhausted, yet having to continue. This is what it means to experience something grueling. Today, we're exploring this powerful word that's essential for describing intense, demanding situations in English. Word type. Grueling is an adjective used to describe activities, experiences, or tasks that are extremely demanding and tiring. Meaning, grueling refers to something that is physically or mentally demanding to an extreme degree, often causing exhaustion or great difficulty. It implies a level of intensity that tests one's endurance and willpower. Word history. The term grueling has an interesting etymology. It originated in the early 19th century and is derived from the verb gruel. This verb meant to exhaust or punish severely, which in turn came from the noun gruel, a thin porridge often fed to invalids or prisoners. The connection lies in the idea of reducing someone to a state where they could only consume gruel. Antonyms. To better understand grueling, let's consider its opposites. Antonyms include easy, effortless, relaxing, and comfortable. These words paint a picture of activities that don't require significant exertion, contrasting sharply with the demanding nature of something grueling. Synonyms. Synonyms for grueling include exhausting, strenuous, arduous, punishing, and demanding. Each of these words conveys the intense nature of a grueling task, emphasizing different aspects such as physical toll, mental strain, or the sheer difficulty involved. Examples used in sentences. Let's explore how to use grueling in various contexts. The marathon runners endured a grueling 26.2-mile course through the scorching desert. After a grueling 12-hour negotiation, the diplomats finally reached an agreement. Medical residents often face grueling 24-hour shifts, testing both their knowledge and stamina. The mountain climbers described their ascent of Everest as the most grueling experience of their lives. Studying for the bar exam can be a grueling process, requiring months of intense preparation. Common errors in use. While grueling is a powerful word, it's sometimes misused or confused with similar terms. One common error is using it for mildly challenging situations, which dilutes its impact. Grueling should be reserved for truly demanding, exhausting experiences. Another mistake is confusing it with gruesome, which means horrifying or repulsive. Remember, grueling relates to difficulty and exhaustion, not horror or disgust. To truly master the use of grueling, consider the intensity of the situation you're describing. Is it pushing someone to their limits? Is it causing extreme tiredness or requiring immense effort? If so, grueling is likely the perfect word choice. By incorporating grueling into your vocabulary, you're adding a vivid, impactful way to describe intensely challenging situations. This level of precision and nuance in your language use is exactly what examiners look for in high band score IELTS responses. Remember, grueling isn't just difficult, it's an experience that tests the very limits of human endurance.